In this video, we're going to be looking into the V model, so how we can bind data to, for example, whatever we type in here, we're going to print directly out into an interpolation, like we did the first time with Homer and things like this, right? So we're just going to delete the V on key here for now, and the same with this one down here, and we're just going to change it a little bit. So what we want to do is, whenever I type in the name Homer here, right, I want it to print out right beside this. So what I'm firstly going to do is I'm just going to create a breakpoint here, so I don't have to have the same line. Yeah, it's much better, much better. So over here it's going to print out Homer. Cool. How we do this is we can use something called a two-way binding in Vue, and that's we pass in some data through our input, and it's grabbing this data and it's going to print it out again on our page here. That's one of the things we can use this for. For this to work, we need to create a V model. And in here, we're just gonna create and call this V model name. And that's kind of what we wanna do for now. And then after this, we wanna create a paragraph like so. And in the paragraph, we wanna use, our interpolation. Wow, my keyboard is just not working as I'm supposed to. And in here, we just wanna print out the name. So whatever we type in, we're binding these two together and passing it through the data. Save this for now, and in our app, we can try this, but it's hopefully gonna break, so it goes, you can't do this because we're not done with it, right? So we need to do a little bit more than this. This is not enough to declare we need to use this. In our app, we also need up here to declare that we are using name, right? And for starters, it's empty, right? There's nothing in it, so we are setting this to be empty, and then whatever we're typing in here, it's going to be used. Now, let's try this, click save, and go here. So I type something in, and it prints it out immediately down here. So for each change I make, boop, 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 like so, it changes everything down here. So this is two-way binding. We're passing data, grabbing data, using data. Woo, pretty, right? And we can do the same with the other one, of course. So let's just do this with this one down here as well. So we have VH, VModel, and let's call this one age. Where's my, there we go, age. And we're going to create a paragraph, and inside the paragraph, we do our two curly brackets, type in age, like so. And then whenever we type in an age, oh, I forgot to do something. What did I forget to do? I forgot to declare the function. Forgot to declare it in here. So let's do this, and it prints it out, right? So age is already there, 40, but we want it to be whatever we type in, right? Because if we set it to 40, it's always 40. So that's actually a lucky thing I did. I did an error before. I didn't update it. But now when we type in 44, whatever, right, it's changing the value for this. So that's a really quick introduction to data two-way binding. And the next video, I'm going to show you how we can do a little bit more, where we can actually start, where to go, look here, where we can actually use an if-else statement to, if something happens, then you're going to do something else. But next video, see you there.